Let's connect your NetSuite SuiteTax account to Avalara. You can review the guide and watch the video to see how to do it yourself, or the Avi companion can walk you through the steps. The first step is to install the Avalara bundle in NetSuite. Open a new window and sign into your NetSuite admin account. Go to Customization, Suite Bundler, Search and Install Bundles, and List. Select New, and then search for Avalara. Select the Avalara AvaTax for SuiteTax bundle. Select Install on the bundle's details page, and then agree to the terms. Review the fields included in the bundle. You can select whether to show or hide these fields on your existing custom forms after installation. Select Install Bundle, and then select OK. During the installation, you can check the status by selecting Refresh. When the installation is complete, a green check mark appears in the status column next to the AvaTax bundle. You've now completed Step 1. Step 2 is to tell NetSuite that you'll use AvaTax instead of NetSuite to calculate tax on your transactions. Go to Customization, Plugins, and Manage Plugins. Select the Avalara Tax Plugin checkbox to enable tax calculation, and then save. Add the plugin to each location where your company does business. If you have a single company, you'll add the Avalara tax engine to your company information. If you have company subsidiaries, go to Setup, Company, and Subsidiaries. Select Edit for a subsidiary and go to the Tax Registrations tab. For each location in the Nexus column, select the Avalara tax plugin from the Tax Engine column and select OK. Repeat these steps for each location in the Nexus column. And then save. Then, repeat the steps for each subsidiary. If you have a question at any time, select I need help. Avi will give you some troubleshooting tips and links to Avalara Knowledge Center articles. If you still need help, you can chat with a live agent or open a support case. Step 3 is to create a tax code for your U.S. transactions. The code will tell AvaTax the U.S. transactions that need a tax calculation. Go to Setup, Tax, Tax Codes, and New. Create the tax code. Enter AvaTax for the name. Select Avalara tax type from the tax type list. Select Save. Step 4 is for doing business in Canada. If you don't do business in Canada, skip this step and continue to Step 5. Step 5 is to assign tax codes to the places where you report tax. Here's where you apply your newly created AvaTax tax code to the transactions where you do business. Go to Setup, Tax, and Nexuses. Select Edit for a location and go to the Avalara Default Tax Codes tab. Select AvaTax from the default tax code list and then save. Then, repeat the steps for each location where your company has Nexus. Step 6 is to connect to Avalara. Go to Avalara, Avalara Dashboard, and Manage Avalara. Choose whether to connect to a production or a sandbox account from the environment list. Select Generate Avalara User Code. Copy the code and select Connect. An Avalara window opens in a new tab. Sign in to Avalara if needed. Paste the user code and select Submit. Go back to NetSuite. You'll see a message that you are authenticated. Select Next to complete the connection. If you have more than one subsidiary, you can link them all to your Avalara company code by adding it to their parent company. Save your information and then select OK. Go back to your Avalara window and select Finish. You've now successfully installed the integration, connected to Avalara, and enabled transactions to start flowing from your NetSuite SuiteTax account to your Avalara account. However, Avalara won't be able to calculate tax accurately until you fine-tune your Avalara settings and review your NetSuite SuiteTax integration settings. Select Continue. To ensure accurate tax calculations, you'll need to map the items you sell to Avalara tax codes, manage your tax-exempt customers, and complete other configuration steps. You can do this now or at a later time. To review your integration settings, go to the Integration side menu and select Manage Settings. To learn how to configure your integration and Avalara settings, you can use the Help panel to explore how-to guides and watch instructional videos or ask Avi.